1. Family.
How many people are there in your family?
My family has 5 of us. My dad, mom, brother, sister, and me.
Where does your family live?
We stay in a house outside the city.
What does your dad do for a living?
He's a doctor working at the town hospital.
How old is your mom?
She's about 40, a year younger than my dad.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, 1 older brother and 1 younger sister.
Are you the oldest in your family?
No, I'm the second child.
What do your parents like to do?
My father enjoys football, and my mother loves cooking.
Do you have dinner together often?
Yes, we have meals together every evening. 2. Childhood memory. Did you have a joyful time growing up? Yes, I did. I used to play hide and seek with friends a lot. Was your childhood spent in the city or countryside? I grew up in the countryside, surrounded by wide rice fields. Did you skip school sometimes back then? Yes, sometimes I did, along with some classmates. Who were you mostly with as a child? I spent most of my time with my loving family. What did you dream of becoming as a kid? I dreamed of designing clothes. Who did you care for most? My mother, because she always took care of me. Who was your hero when you were young? Robin Hood. I admired how he helped the poor. What reminds you of your childhood now? Seeing green fields makes me nostalgic. Have you changed much since you were little? Yes, I'm more mature now than I was then. Why do you think childhood is important? Because early experiences shape who we become. 3. A friend. Who is your closest friend? My best friend is Emma. We've known each other for years. What does she look like? She has shoulder-length hair and a bright smile. How did you two first meet? We met during middle school. How often do you meet up? We see each other every day because we're in the same class. What kind of person is she? She's thoughtful, understanding, and always supportive. Do you share interests? Yes, we both enjoy shopping and sports. What do you do together? We often study and read together. Do you ever argue? Occasionally, but it always makes us understand each other better. Can she cook? Yes, but she's not great at it. Do your parents like her? Yes, they always invite her to dinner.
4. A teacher. Who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. Roberts, he teaches English.
Is he from another country?
Yes, he's from the United States.
What do you like about his classes?
He makes lessons lively and shows us real-world examples.
What's he like as a person?
He's kind and treats students like friends.
What does he wear to school?
Usually a neat gray suit.
Do you enjoy the subject he teaches?
Yes, I really like English.
Do others like him too?
All the students respect him.
Would you want to become a teacher someday?
Not really. My dream is to be a chef.
Have you ever been punished by him?
No, he hardly ever punishes anyone.
Do you hope to see him again?
Definitely. He's a great mentor.
5. Neighbor. Who lives next to you?
My neighbor is a university student living beside my apartment.
When did you first meet him?
We met when I moved here 2 years ago.
Is he friendly?
Yes, he always greets me with a smile.
How often do you see him?
We usually see each other at the gate each day.
Have you ever had problems with him?
Only once when his karaoke was too loud, then we talked it out.
Does he help you sometimes?
Yes, often with small errands.
Would you miss him if he moved?
Yes, I'd be sad.
How are neighbors different from friends?
Friends share feelings. Neighbors just live near you.
What makes someone a good neighbor?
Respect for others.
6. A letter. Who sent you that letter?
Dad wrote it while he was on a business trip.
Did you keep it?
Yes, I keep it in a folder and reread it when I feel down.
What did it say?
He wrote about his new job and life in another city.
How did it make you feel?
I felt happy knowing he was doing fine.
Do you collect letters?
Yes, I keep letters from family and friends as a hobby.
Do you prefer writing letters or emails?
I prefer penning paper letters.
Do people where you live still write letters?
Not as much. Now most use emails.
How are emails different from letters?
Emails are faster. Letters feel more personal.
Why write letters to loved ones?
It shows you care deeply.
7. A memorable event. How many events have you been to this year?
I've joined over 10, mostly about education.
Which event stands out most?
An international study conference introducing top European universities.
Was it indoors or outdoors?
It took place indoors.
Who organized it?
The education department hosted it, with sponsor support from several schools.
Who did you go with?
I went with friends who also want to study abroad.
What happened at the event?
There were speeches and Q&A sessions.
Was it shown on TV?
No, but ads for it were broadcasted.
What made it memorable?
Learning about international study paths.
8. Hometown. Where is your hometown?
It's a coastal region in the United States.
Is it urban or rural?
It's mostly suburban.
What's it famous for?
It's known for tobacco farming.
What do people do there?
Most people work in agriculture.
How's the environment?
It's peaceful and fresh.
Are the people friendly?
Yes, very welcoming.
Would you want to live there long term?
Yes, forever if possible.
Is it easy to find work there?
Manual jobs are common. White-collar roles are fewer.
Is traffic bad in your hometown?
No, traffic moves easily.
9. A wedding. Have you attended many weddings?
Yes, the most memorable was my best friend's.
Who went with you?
I was with a classmate.
Where was the wedding held?
At a nice restaurant downtown.
What did people do there?
They feasted, danced, and celebrated together.
What did the couple wear?
The bride wore a white gown and the groom a black suit.
Which part impressed you most?
The ring exchange was very meaningful.
Are weddings important in your culture?
Yes, along with birthdays and other celebrations.
At what age do people usually marry?
Around late 20s.
What's your ideal age to marry?
I think late 20s is good.
Have wedding traditions changed?
Yes, there are fewer formal rituals now than before.